The table shows age in years, percentage of height of boys and girls. To calculate full height, we can apply the following formula. Present height in centimeters upon percentage of full height at this age multiplied by 100. Changes in body shape. Boys after reaching puberty have broader shoulders and wider chests than boys of age 5 to 8. In boys, the muscles of the body grow more prominently than girls. Thus, changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. During puberty, the secretion of sweat gland and sebaceous gland increases. Thus, many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time. Change in voice. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice box than girls. The larger voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible. Girls have a high-pitched voice, whereas boys have a deep voice. Hormonal control. Pituitary gland is called as master gland as it controls the hormones of many other endocrine glands. Hormones from pituitary stimulates testes and ovaries to release testosterone in males and estrogen in females. These hormones are directly released into the bloodstream and reach the target site of the body. As these are male and female hormones, they stimulate changes in the body at the onset of puberty.
Reproductive phase of life. During adolescence, the testes and ovaries begin to produce the male and female gametes respectively. The male gametes are called sperms and the female gametes are called ova. In females, the reproductive phase of life begins at 10 to 12 years of age. This is marked by the onset of menstrual cycle or menarche. The matured ovum is released by ovaries once in every 28 to 30 days. During this period, the uterine walls become thick. If fertilization does not occur, the ovum is released along with the thickened lining of the uterus. This causes bleeding, which is known as the menstruation cycle. At 45 to 50 years of age, the menstrual cycle stops. The stoppage of menstruation cycle is termed as menopause.